Ashidol here and welcome back to Moon TV channel! So, for those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly click subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. And also, pwede nyo din akong isubscribe sa aking personal YouTube channel. Just search for Ashidol! On our previous video, napag-usapan natin kung ano nga ba ang VIPs and SVIPs dito sa Bigo Live. Ilalagay ko sa description below ang link para ma-view nyo ulit kung ano nga ba ang VIP at SVIP. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ang SVIP at kung ano ang mga benefits nito. To become SVIP here in Bigo Live, all you have to do is just send at least 10k worth of diamonds in a month. And depending on how much diamonds you will send per month, it will determine on how much SVIP points you will receive. And itong marireceive mong mga SVIP points ay pwede mong magamit sa mga sumusunod. Number 1, account privileges. Pwede mong gamitin ang iyong mga SVIP points para ma-change ang iyong Bigo ID and PAN medal. And also, pwede mo ding i-change yung sa ibang account. Number 2, create a family or you can also change the name or the logo of the other family. But make sure na humingi ng permiso sa inyong leader ng family. Number 3, ban appeal. As SVIP here in Bigo Live, you have the privilege para mag-unban ng mga account na naban, temporary man yan o permanent na naban. Number 4, official recommendation or exposure. Dito sa Bigo Live as SVIP, pwede mong ma-help ang isang Bigo host to push their lives into bigger audience. Paano? All you have to do is you can post to Bigo official social media and also you can rent a space on Hitlist or Hotlive para mas marami ang makakita ng live ng sinusuport mong Bigo host. Number 5, SVIPs can also request for a physical or virtual gifts. For virtual gifts, pwede kang mag-request to customize a name of a gift for you. And for physical gift naman, you can request a gift ranging from keychain to dino plush. Madami talagang benefits ang pagiging SVIP. And to use your points, kailangan mo lang pumunta sa SVIP menu and madadirect ka sa SVIP rewards list. And also, makikita mo din kung gaano karami ang points mo and kailan ito ma-expire. Pwede mo ring makita sa list ang mga privileges na dumidepende sa iyong location or sa iyong country. And also, pwede mo ding makita ang mga rules by clicking rules for more information. Take note that physical merchandises are limited and if it get out of stock, all you have to do is wait until makapag-restock na si Bigo. To use your SVIP points, all you have to do is send requests to Bigo ID PH SVIP if you're located here in the Philippines. And if you're located in other country, you might have to ask the founder of the family where you eat and also a manager of an agency on how to contact the admin to use your SVIP points. Alright, I think that's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something about SVIP benefits. And if nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, kindly click like, share, and subscribe. And magkita-kits ulit tayo sa next video. Happy live streaming!